So, welcome to my first aquarium. This is No Prop Studio. I'm in my little greenhouse garden in Denmark. It's my first tryout on a small aquarium, around about 70 litres, 60-70 litres. I think it's 70. And right now you can see a very fantastic little group of what in Denmark we call pensameller, which is like the sucking fish, just in a different, like an albino version, and they're very sweet. I've got like 6 of these, and they're good for cleaning the bottom, and they like the algae wafers you can get. And I also have a few shrimp and a few of the normal sucking fish. I'll come in the second video, I'll come with the names of these ones, because they're kind of fascinating. There's a lot of them. I have an orange spotted one. I have the 2 dark classical ones, which you would be able to see right there. As you can see, the classical fish. A little out of focus. Just chilling out. But yeah, welcome to my first aquarium video. I was working hard on this aquarium, 70 litres. As you can see in the middle, I've put a type of, it was a type of Thai moss, but just any type of moss that lives pretty good on a piece of wood. You could just get, this is a natural piece of wood I have down here, so I tied it around that one. Got the let's say the synthetic stones, which I guess are made out of plastics and different things. They look really nice. They're very good for my my shrimp, because I have Amano shrimps, the see-through shrimps, and I have a few of the red shrimps. I'll come with the name next time. I forgot the name now. Red, yeah, I forgot the name. But they're very sweet. They live in this habitat in the middle, and they're actually cleaning out all the algae perfectly out of the plants. As you can see, the white stuff and the different algae that have been living on on the moss are practically cleaned straight through. So these shrimp, I say I've seen about 5 of the red shrimp, 2 Amano shrimps. I tried to have 2 Amano shrimps before they died for some mysterious reason. If I figure out the reason, I'll tell you. I guess that just happens sometimes. The red shrimp, I can see 3 have lived, and 2 maybe have died. At least 1 died. I found 1 dead. So there might be 4, and even a small little baby, which I got together with the 5. There's a little baby in there. So, and then I have the normal stream fish coming here. This is the godfather, the godmother. She's been eating good, and I think she's a she, because often the she's will be a little bigger, and I call her the salmon, because she looks like a micro salmon. She's beautiful. I've got like 5 or 6 of these, 2 of the striped ones and the spotted ones. These can take temperatures a little further down, so it's good for aquariums in houses that don't have a lot of heat or have a little variation. So I have around about 9-10 hours of light a day. I could even press it up a little, because it's going very good with the plants. And by having this plant, the moss in the middle, and the red plants, I'll come with the special names later, but they're just standard plants you can get, aquarium plants. So you just look for some colours you like. I've got 3 different colours, 2 green and 1 red, and it gives a really good equilibrium in the aquarium. And there's room for the snails. There's room. I also got 2 of the hunting snails with spirals around. I'll come with the name also. They're very good for keeping the snails a little down. And you could even use a snail, the old snails shells, if they grow big enough. You could even use these for jewelry and different stuff. So, and the next step of this aquarium would be to fix it up to a direct aquaponics system, where, just get patient with me, I should be able to get this system going, which is, well, already going now with a high pressure, no, well, CLF long lamp for growing. And then I have some herbs, I have my aloe vera, and yeah, hopefully I can get some salad and tomatoes going and feed it with the aquaponics. So that's No Problems Studio, no props. Thank you very much for watching. The next videos I'll come with some specific names. I will also give a little talk about how these algae can be kept down, specifically with the shrimp, the sucking fish, and the different types of fish that keep the different levels going. So you need a whole system working for you. So thank you very much. Goodbye. Remember to subscribe, yeah.